Let's do this. Okay. Welcome back. My name is Garrett and this is Uncharted Odyssey. For the past 5 years, I've been exploring Vancouver Island and it's been one hell of an adventure. I've just made so many great memories here. Capturing a rare 6-gill shark on camera was an incredible experience in itself, but to have it happen again a few weeks later was something else. And that's not even mentioning the octopus. People say that, BC, we've got the biggest octopus in the world. What they don't tell you is that we also have the friendliest octopus in the world. And I give these guys full credit for building such an incredible dive community here in Nanaimo, because out here we have such a ragtag group of divers that will go out in any weather, strap on over 100 pounds worth of gear to jump into freezing cold water that is thick as soup just for the opportunity to see one of these amazing creatures. Vancouver Island has been good to me, but the time has come to expand my horizons and start a new adventure in a new part of the world. My destination is the island of Bahama, having recently accepted a position working in coral reef restoration for a company called Coral Vita. Coral Vita specializes in growing climate-resistant corals at an accelerated rate, and it's work that has never been more important. After all, Uncharted Odyssey started on a coral reef. When I graduated engineering, I was young and looking for answers, so naturally I went traveling. I ended up in Australia and was lucky enough to spend 4 months living on the Great Barrier Reef. I was working as a barista at the time for one of the resorts, and when I wasn't serving guests coffees, I was trying to spend as much time as possible in the water. Being a kid from the prairies, to have the opportunity to explore a coral reef every day was just something else. It just seemed like every day I was having a new experience that changed me and changed my perspective and changed the way I looked at the ocean. And over time, as my understanding of the reef grew, I come to realize that, I wanted to study and learn more about what can be done to protect these places. So ever since my time on that small coral cay, I've worked hard to kind of build my expertise around exploring the ocean and understanding more about these ecosystems that make it such an incredible place. And none of the past 5 years has been simple or straightforward, but it's that adversity in particular that has made me stronger and turned me into the marine scientist that I am today. And here we are, 6 years down the road, I get an opportunity to go back and work on a coral reef. It feels very surreal, and the time has finally come to pack my bags and head out for a whole new life, and I can't wait. So I hope you'll join me as I travel to the Bahamas for what is set to be my biggest adventure yet.